base. Oh, screws. Okay, comes with this. It doesn't seem to be any instructions. No. This one. Oh. This is the and then this. That. Hang on. Okay. Secondary rack. Uh-oh, it's sealed. Okay, we got more. Didn't know that includes that, but okay. And we just need this one right here. So it actually says has one. If I recall correctly, it doesn't even say it has one. Oh well. Oh, and we go. Put this side right here. This is the headphone stand. Should be right here. Should be about right. I'm gonna do the base first. First up, base. I'll do the base first. Get this screw right here. Actually, you just put this right here. Just be careful. Just put a bit up. There we go. Yeah, it's visible. Oh, yeah, I'm a bit clumsy here. I would just use the base in here. Is it even? Yeah, it's even. Okay. Okay, so we're done with the base. Just gonna put this down right here. I'm done with the base, so it has to be the opposite way, so it doesn't really matter. So I need to get one of these screws right here. We just do that. We apparently just do that. Okay. So I'm gonna put this right here. So what we do is just and focus. You got one down. Sure to tighten it. And there's only room for two more. Actually, there's still space, so it should be able to fit. Put a bit light here, get your screws. Yeah, it should fit. This is not a full. Okay, got one in. Getting another screw. Okay, so one down. Got two more things to go. Oh no, oh no. Let's put all these, the final one. Okay, got one in. Last one. Okay, I'm having a hard time using my left hand, so I might as well use my right hand on this one. It's a bit tight. Okay, so I think I got it now. This is the finished product. So it should fit, the ring fit. Oh, strangely it does fit the ring fit. Pro controller, a PS4, and amazing, fits. It actually fits.